you have to put some budget while running the Facebook ads. So without budget you can't run the Facebook ads. Facebook ads are the paid promotion tool. You have to pay some amount to the Facebook to reach the new audience with the help of Facebook ads. My followers asking most question is the how much budget is required to run the Facebook ads. Is there any particular budget we have to put to run the Facebook ads? So we don't have any idea about those things. Can you tell about how much budget I have to allocate for this Facebook ads campaign? Okay, these type of questions will arrive in my community. So today I'm going to reveal how much budget you have to put for your Facebook ads. Guys, here thing is the Facebook ads, suppose consider the lead generation ad. If you consider the lead generation ad, once you set up and once you run the lead generation ad, then you will experience that the cost of the lead always not same value. So okay, if you get the two leads today, then one lead will be at particular cost and another lead will be at particular cost. Okay, you have generated the 100 leads today and some particular amount consumed for that 100 leads, and you are generated another 100 leads tomorrow. So when you compare this today and tomorrow, the budgets will the spending amount will be different. So okay, so this lead cost will be changed from time to time. Okay, so first of all you have to allocate some budget for the experiment. So you have to do the experiment for your business. Okay, each business have different audience and a different location and different interest. So first of all you have to select your audience and you have to create your audience, and you have to target those audience with the Facebook ads, and you have to put some experiment budget. So you can put the budget like 1,000 to 5,000 to run the experiment campaign. So you have to then you will know the, so at which cost you are getting the lead or reach or message or any traffic. Okay, so once you come to the then you have the some data in your Facebook ads dashboard. From that you can come to how much it is consuming for lead, how much it consuming for click. So from that you can put your budget based on the how many results you want. Suppose if you are running a lead, if you ran a lead generation ad and it consumed 50 rupees, suppose for the lead. So sometimes you may get lead the less than 50, or sometimes it will goes to some 150 to 100 also to acquire the lead. It's all depend on the your selected audience. Okay, if you get the lead at the average of 50 rupees, and if you want the leads daily 100 leads, then you have to put the budget daily around 5,000 or 6,000, 5,000 to 8,000 you have to put for that campaign to get the leads at the 50. Okay, average 50. So sometimes it may less than 50 or sometimes it's more than 50. So that's why you have to choose the average figure. In this you have to keep in mind that there is a 18% tax so to your amount. That means so if you are getting a lead at 50 rupees, then the actual amount consumed in the Facebook ads is the 59 rupees. So whenever people ask me to run the Facebook ads, I immediately ask them to how many results you want. So how many results you want per day, or how many results you want per week, how many results you want per month. So once they said that particular number, then I will calculate the budget, and then I will inform them to you have to put this much of budget to get these type of results using the Facebook ads. Okay guys, thank you.